shallow or deep copy in a list comprehension. If you have a list original in Python like and if you do a comprehension for a new list and a function to use over the comprehension sublist. Is this new underscore list resulting in a shallow or deep copy of the original list? The matter is relevant for me if the original list contains objects, which attributes can change in the code to follow new underscore list creation, third list. New underscore list is sent to a function, which will change the attributes. The question is if you try to reuse the original list for the same function with different comprehension, let's say, members, 4. Actually gives true.
You are creating a shallow, filtered copy. Your loop doesn't create copies of member, it references them directly. Not that you would need to create copies, all objects in your original list are immutable integers. Moreover, Python returns small integers. Creating copies would only result in the exact same objects being used for these. To illustrate, try to create a copy of a list containing mutable objects instead. Here I used a dictionary. The copied list is a new list object containing a reference to the same dictionary contained in sample. Altering that dictionary is reflected in both copy and sample, but appending the copy doesn't alter the original list. As for your updated loop code, your sample produces a new underscore list that still shares objects, and new underscore list 3. Visited is in fact true. Because it is still the same object found in original at index 7. Which is the same object still found in third list at index 2.
Another idea, which worked for me, is to implement a flag clear method in the class. And then, every time I construct a new list, simply to use the method. If the only thing I modify in the customid is the visited flag, then this works. Obviously, it will not be perfect. If someone needs a complete solution, the suggestion of Martin Peters will work best, implementing copy method. Thank you, Martin. This was really a learning experience for me.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.